Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn about how to get backlinks from Microsoft. As you know that backlinks are really important for your blog to grow, and backlinks from high DAPA site like Microsoft is a big plus. We all know that the DAPA of Microsoft is very high, but still let me check what is the DNPA of Microsoft. So let me enter the Microsoft URL and check for DNPA. So as you can see, the domain authority is 100 and page authority is 83, which is obviously really good. Now let me show you how to get a backlink from Microsoft. Let me go to another tab and type social.microsoft.com/profile. So make sure you enter the profile at the end. If you don't do that, this will redirect to microsoft.com. So as you can see here. So make sure that you enter the profile. On the right hand side, you get a sign in button. Click on that. If you have an account, that's very good. Otherwise, let's create a new account. So click on next. Give the password. Click on next. And then put your name and all the other stuffs. This is the typical how you create a Microsoft account. Once all done, click on next. Here you can enter your public identity name. Then agree to legal terms and click on continue. So this is your profile page. Here you can fill where do you work, your biography you can write. The very important thing is the website. There you have to put your blog address. Alright. If you want to enter Twitter account details or Facebook account details, you can put it here. But for the demo, I'm not going to put that. Finally, click on save. So on the left hand side, you can see my website address. So after some time, when this backlink got indexed, then you can verify that you get a backlink from Microsoft. So that's all friends in this video. I hope you got some idea how to get backlink from Microsoft. If you got some idea and if you feel like it is useful for you, then please like the video and please share the video. Thanks for watching.